Hello my fellow friends, how are you guys doing? Here is derSaiful again with a new video and new playlist. It is a new playlist where we will talk about the locations we have visited and share our experiences. It is just the beginning. We'll add more videos in future. We have categorized in few facts which are very important to know before you plan your travel itinerary. For example, the best time to visit, place to check out, food and accommodation, cost, etc. If you like your video and think that it is useful for you, then a subscription would be much appreciated. Hit the thumb button and press the bell icon to get alerts. So without further ado, let's explore together. The first question, where is Paphos? Paphos is a coastal city in southeast Cyprus and the capital of Paphos district. The current city is Paphos lies on the Mediterranean coast about 50 kilometers west of Limassol Island, which is the biggest port on the island. Paphos International Airport is the country's second largest airport. The city has subtropical Mediterranean climate with the mildest temperature on the island. One interesting fact about Paphos, in 1980, Paphos was included to the UNESCO World Heritage List for its ancient architecture, mosaics and ancient religious importance. European Union citizens do not require a visa to enter Cyprus, but they must carry a valid passport or their national identity card. All non-European nationals require a visa to enter Cyprus if applicant has a valid double or multiple entries Schengen visa on his or her passport. Getting to Paphos by plane. Flying would be the most convenient option if you plan a trip to this Mediterranean paradise. Paphos has an international airport called Paphos International Airport. Please check which airlines are being operated from your origin location and book your tickets accordingly. Paphos enjoys a Mediterranean climate with long hot summers and relatively short mild winters. If you love to follow the sun, the best time to go to Paphos is between May and October. The hottest month of the year is August, with an average daily maximum of 32 degrees centigrade and average low of 23 degrees centigrade. On the other hand, more activities such as boat trips, cruises are often available during the summer times. Please check out the Paphos activities URL in the description. Which places should you check out if you are in Paphos? Before we start the section, please check out the drone video and walking video of Paphos. You will find the link upper right corner or have a look at the description. The first, Paphos Harbor. Paphos Port is one of the most ancient ports in Cyprus. It is found on the southeast coast of Cyprus. It was King Kouklia, who has last of the kings of the Paphos, who had the original port constructed in 320 before Christ. The harbor offers excellent sea views and outstanding range of restaurants and bars to suit every type of holiday makers. It has a lovely promenade that allows you to walk along the water's edge safely and away from the traffic. You can buy souvenirs at convenient price at the local souvenir shops. You can also enjoy a lunch or dinner with a stunning sea view at the nearby restaurants. Paphos Castle. Standing grandly at the west end of the town's harbor, Paphos Castle, also called Medieval Fort, was built in mid-13th century. The main part of the castle is a big square tower that has an enclosed courtyard in the middle. The ground floor consists of a central hall with small rooms on each of its two long sides, which were used as prison cells during the Ottoman rule. The Ottomans handed over the administration of this island to the British, who used the castle as a salt store until 1935. Later, it was declared an ancient monument under antiquities law. The next one is Paphos Archaeological Park. It is called also Paphos Archaeological Park. It contains a major part of the important ancient Greek and Roman city. Located in Paphos, this magnificent UNESCO World Heritage Site includes monuments that date back to prehistoric times, the Middle Ages, and the Roman period. At the heart of this archaeological park is the site's most prized possession, considered among the finest in the Eastern Mediterranean, intricate floor mosaics and fated for the excellent preservation and vibrant colors. If you're interested in history and civilization, you can visit there. Entry fee €4.5. More info in the description box. A wonderful coastal boardwalk path runs along the Mediterranean on the western side of Cyprus in Paphos. There are great views of the water and several scenic and important sites nearby. The south end of the path starts at the medieval castle of Paphos and goes for almost 4 km north to the Venus Hotel. If you like to walk, I would definitely recommend you. You will love it and you don't have to pay anything. It's completely free. Please check out our videos. We have already uploaded a walking video regarding this coastal path. The Sierra Leone flagged Edro 3 faced an accident in 2011. The Edro 3 is more than 80 meters in length. Its weight is about 2,300 to 2,500 tons. The ship lies on the sea rocks at an angle of 11 to 12 degrees near the sea cave area. Paphos Gorge Natural Trail. It is a popular hiking and adventure destination with a dramatic canyon, water views and wildlife. The Paphos Gorge Trail is located within Paia State. People who love hiking, please pay a visit there. Check out this 5-mile out and back trail near Paia. Don't forget to bring your hiking shoes along with you. Adonis Baths is a waterfall is located 267 meters above the sea level. In the village of Kouklia, the water gathers and forms a small waterfall. This water over the centuries eroded the soil and formed a small lake. Akamas Blue Lagoon. Last but not the least, a great spot for a day trip. This shielded bay is one of the biggest lagoons in the Akamas Peninsula. Travelers are attracted to its warm crystalline water, ideal for swimming and snorkeling near the reef. You will have clear views of the seabed and the marine life that inhabits these waters. The mentioned destinations are in Paphos or some of the outside of the Paphos city. You can commute there by bus or easily hire a car. I would rather suggest hiring a car for a convenient experience. On the other hand, you can also book a day trip via Get Your Guide. The links have been provided in the description box. The number of days you should spend in Paphos depends on your interests and activities you wish to engage in. However, a typical stay of 3 or 4 days is often sufficient to explore the main attraction and get a good sense of the city. On the other hand, you can easily cover the mentioned place easily if you stay for 3 or 4 days. Finally, I would like to thank you for watching the video. We hope the provided information will be helpful for you guys. Enjoy your next journey. If you like the video and think that it is useful for you, then hit the thumb button and press the bell icon to get alert. Catch you in the next one. Hasta la vista.